Welcome to the assembly instructions for the door and window protection WS33. Thank you for choosing this BURG-WÄCHTER quality product. Before starting the installation, please check whether the packaging content is complete and the necessary installation tools are at hand. First of all, please check whether you can open and close the window properly. Make sure that the frame distance between the window casements is at least 28 mm and mark the lower mounting position with a pencil. Keep the window protection with the bottom edge to the selected mounting position and use a 2 mm thick underlay to create the optimal spacing between the window lock and window casements. Deepen the markings lightly with a hammer and a screw. Do not drill through the window frame. Insert the casement plate into the window protection and then slide the slider up. Hold the window's protection to the window and identify the necessary underlays. Open the window protection by a slight clockwise rotation of the lock cylinder and remove the casement plate. Fit the two rounded head screws. Avoid over-tightening of the screws. Insert the casement plate into the window protection and then slide the slider up. If necessary, put some underlays under the casement plate. Align the casement plate and mark in the two long holes of the drilling positions centrally with a pencil. Deepen the markings lightly with a hammer and a screw. When drilling, do not damage any moving parts, seals or glass panes. Fit the two rounded head screws. Check the function of the window protection. The slide needs to be moved easily. Readjust the casement plate if necessary. The window or French windows must be opened and closed properly. Drill the further holes for the casement plate. Fit the casement plate with the 3 screws and insert the covering caps on the casement plate and into the screw holes. Congratulations! Your door and window protection WS33 is now fully operational. For additional products for more security, please see www.burg.biz. BURG-WÄCHTER. Always the safe choice.